December 2011, Google announced that the Massachusetts Institute of Technology was taking over control of the Android App Inventor program for the development of Android applications. This open source application allows users to design and develop their own applications for use on an Android device. The program consists of two parts: the Application Designer, which adds basic functionality but is more focused on design and content of the application, and the Block Coding System, which provides robust functionality, taking the place of a typical Java programming environment in a less intimidating, more user-friendly puzzle-like structure in a similar fashion to that of LEGO Mindstorms and Scratch programming. In order to support the App Inventor service, many resources can be found digitally to assist in the development of the application. Let's take a look at some of them based on the major topics covered in Dr. Kurt Bonk's The World is Open course at Indiana University. For this video, we will focus on the topics of ebooks, online education sessions, open educational resources, participatory learning, wikis, online streaming videos, and blogging. There are many ebooks focused on the design and development of Android applications, which can be found online. Many of them focused on the programming language used by Android, Java. For MIT's App Inventor service, there are specific ebooks to support designers in effective design and development of the application, as well as providing support on the block coding structure. Examples of these are the App Inventor by Wolber, Abelson, Spertus, and Looney, and Google App Inventor by Roberts, which can be found on Amazon.com in ebook format for the Kindle. There have been numerous synchronous and asynchronous sessions presented on how to use App Inventor and on the block programming structure, ranging from college courses taught at universities like the University of San Francisco, Wellesley College, Boise State University, and Regis College, to use in K-12 classrooms in Ireland. These courses have ranged from step-by-step walkthroughs on creating an application to reflections on teachers using them in their classroom. There are also curriculum guidelines on how to design and teach a course on App Inventor in either an online or face-to-face environment. This also includes sample screencast demos of the tools being used. Free and open materials also exist for those not able to afford or not interested in purchasing ebooks or training sessions on App Inventor. These include step-by-step instructions on running your own local service to build applications with, to freely available workshop materials and job aids provided by the Kentucky Academy of Technology. MIT also provides tutorials on using each of the tools available. MIT also allows those who use the service to assist in the development of the program through the use of Google Groups. These groups provide the users a way to share information and ideas on how to use the tool or how to use the tool differently, as well as to ask technical and non-technical troubleshooting questions. This can be on the program MIT hosts, or it can be on setting up and troubleshooting a locally based instance of the App Inventor service for personal or educational use. In addition to Google Groups, there are also numerous wikis available for users to participate and refer to during the design and development process. Some user-created and run, while others are maintained by MIT and previously Google. There are many tutorials available to walk users through the creation of their own Android application. Many of these resources can be found on YouTube or other online streaming video sites. Some of these tutorials are created by users to explain specific processes and showcase unique uses, while others have been created by MIT and Google to provide general support for new users. In addition to online streaming video, wikis, and Google Groups, several blogs exist to support Android application developers. Many of these blogs are user-created and run, intended to showcase created applications, host files, and showcase the design and development process. MIT also hosts its own blog, focused on the development of the App Inventor service. These blogs stimulate creativity and exploration of the tools, spurring further innovation through their comment sections. As with many things today, there are countless resources available for a person to develop almost any skill they want. We've only really touched the surface regarding the App Inventor service. Countless other resources exist. In this video, we've explored the use of ebooks, online learning sessions, open course materials, wikis, streaming online videos, and blogs to further our skills, but these are by no means the only ways we can learn and sharpen said skills. I do hope that this exploration into the ways we can develop our application development skills has been helpful and will spur further creativity.